Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install DBeaver latest version on Linux Mint 22. Then we will connect both MySQL and PostgreSQL from the DBeaver. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Linux Mint, that is Firefox. Then go to DBeaver official website, it is dbeaver.io. See here, DBeaver community is a free open source database management tool recommended for personal projects, manage and explore SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. See here we have the two versions, Community and Pro. In this video we are going to install Community. So click on download under this Community. See here the latest release is 26.0.2. Click on this download deb for Linux Mint or Ubuntu type operating systems. See, download started and its size is about 119 megabytes. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directly, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the .debian package. We have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i. Then just type DBeaver. Then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Put the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Hit enter. Now we will open DBeaver and we will connect both MySQL and PostgreSQL server. Click on menu, then search for DBeaver. See here we have the DBeaver CE. CE means community edition. Click on it to open. Now click on this database and select new database connection, or just click on this plugin button, then select MySQL, then click on next. Now select the server host name, port number 3306, then database. I have the same bank database, then username root, then provide the password of this root account. Then click on test connection. See, this is the expected error. Public key retrieval is not allowed. Click on OK. Then go to driver properties. Then see here, allow public key retrieval. By default it is false. Change it to true. Then click on test connection again. See, successfully connected to MySQL server. Then click on finish. You want to run queries against the databases, any one of these, just you need to right click on it, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries. If you want to create database, right click on this databases, then select create new database. Or if you want to create users, go to this users tab, right click, then create new user. This is the way to connect MySQL. If you want to connect PostgreSQL, then go to database, new database connection, then select PostgreSQL, then click on next, then localhost 5432, provide the password, then click on this test connection. See, successfully connected to PostgreSQL server 18.3. If you want to install both MySQL and PostgreSQL server, you can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Linux Mint operating systems. Click on finish. Expand this connection, expand databases. Same way you can run the queries. Okay, so in this video we have successfully installed DBeaver. Else this file is not recorded anymore, so I am removing it. Else we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver latest version 26 on Linux Mint operating systems. Then we have seen how to connect both PostgreSQL and MySQL server from the DBeaver. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.